Welcome to the XFO Intelligence Podcast Complex Q series, where we tackle complex questions using deep augmented thinking methods. Today, we're diving into a fascinating challenge. How do we design AI systems that can automatically find the most important problems and solve them in order, cutting development time dramatically, while ensuring we don't eliminate the human operator from the equation entirely? The answer lies in what I call the Centaur Engineering Model, a paradigm shift in how we think about AI in software development. For years, the industry has misunderstood AI's promise. We focused on automation, tools that type faster, test quicker, deploy more often. But here's the reality. Typing speed was never the bottleneck. The true friction in software development is decision latency, the time spent identifying what needs to be done, prioritizing it, and verifying that the solution aligns with strategic intent. Let me introduce you to a revolutionary concept, the state delta. Instead of reactive ticket-based development, imagine a system where the core unit of work is the measurable gap between your desired state and current state. When your production environment deviates, latency spikes, error rates rise, revenue dips, the AI doesn't wait for a human to notice. It identifies the problem automatically and takes action. This autonomous system operates on a continuous sense, plan, act, verify loop. It senses problems through multimodal observation, logs, metrics, user sessions, support tickets. It plans using economic prioritization, scoring every problem by impact, urgency, effort, and risk. It acts by producing minimal viable fixes, the smallest code change that closes the gap. And crucially, it verifies by generating proof of closure through automated testing before any deployment. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The human role doesn't disappear, it evolves. You become the engineering governor. You define intent, not implementation. You set the desired state, the service level agreements, the business metrics. The AI figures out how to achieve them. You act as the risk governor, adjusting a risk tolerance parameter based on your organizational needs. High tolerance during growth sprints, low tolerance during security audits. Safety is managed through a trust token economy. AI agents operate across progressive trust tiers, from co-pilot mode, where you approve every change, to autonomous mode, where AI deploys to production and notifies you afterward. Agents earn trust tokens with successful fixes and lose them with errors. If an agent's balance drops too low, it's automatically demoted. The system self-regulates, slowing down when it makes mistakes without requiring managerial intervention. The codebase becomes a living organism. AI agents leave digital pheromone trails when they successfully solve problems. Other agents follow successful paths. Failed paths evaporate. This creates swarm intelligence, collective learning without central coordination. Fragile modules emit repellent signals, causing the AI swarm to avoid them until a human clears the risk. It's a biological immune system for your code. Implementation happens in phases. Start with augmented observability. AI suggests problems, you validate. Move to assisted remediation. AI generates fixes, you review. Progress to conditional autonomy. AI auto-merges low-risk fixes. Finally, achieve strategic partnership. AI proposes architectural changes while you focus on innovation and ethics. The ultimate goal isn't to remove humans from software development. It's to remove humans from drudgery. The AI optimizes the how, but it cannot define the why. It can close the gap between current state and desired state, but it cannot define what the desired state should be. The human remains the architect of intent, the governor of risk, and the ethical compass of the machine. This is not the end of the developer. It's the beginning of the engineering governor. If you found this analysis valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have a complex problem that needs solving, we'd love to hear from you. Email us at xfointelligence@gmail.com. Until next time, keep thinking deeply.